In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your GoDaddy website. Gathering and showcasing reviews on your website isn't just a way to boost customer trust, but it's also an effective strategy to enhance your online presence. We'll be walking through the process step by step so you can easily implement this valuable feature on your site. First things first, let's get into your GoDaddy account. You'll want to start by clicking the Sign In button on the GoDaddy homepage. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. A login page will appear, prompting you to enter your username and password. Make sure you enter your details accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to your website's dashboard. You can get there by selecting Website from the options available in your account overview. This will take you to a list of websites you manage with GoDaddy. Find the website you wish to add reviews to and click on it. Upon accessing your website's details, the next step is to enter the editing mode. You should see an option to Edit Website. Clicking this will launch the website builder, where you can make various changes to your site's layout and content. For the purpose of adding reviews, we're going to introduce a new section to your website. Look for a button or link that says Add Section. This could be represented with a plus symbol or explicitly written out. It depends on the layout of the website builder. Adding a section is the first step to integrating custom content like your reviews into your site. Once you click on Add Section, a variety of section types will appear, giving you numerous options on how you can enhance your website. Here you'll want to find and select the Files and Web category. This category allows you to embed custom code or include external files on your page, which is necessary for displaying reviews from external sources. After selecting Files and Web, look specifically for the HTML option. This allows you to input custom HTML code into your website. Clicking on HTML will give you the option to add it to your page. This is crucial for embedding your Google review widget or any other review platform you wish to use. Upon selecting to add the HTML section, you will be provided with a blank field or box where you can paste your custom code. This is where you'll input the Google review custom code. This code is typically provided by Google or a third-party service that aggregates your reviews. Before you paste the code, make sure you have it ready. It's often provided in a straightforward copy-paste format, so preparing this in advance will streamline the process. After you've pasted your custom code into the provided field, your reviews should be all set to display on your website. However, before you finish, it's crucial to preview your site. This allows you to see exactly how the reviews will appear to your visitors. Remember, positioning and styling can significantly impact how this content is received, so take the time to review and adjust this section as necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully added a review section to your GoDaddy website. This not only adds credibility to your site, but also provides valuable social proof to potential customers. Keep in mind, it's important to regularly update this section as new reviews come in. This keeps your content fresh and ensures that potential customers see the most accurate representation of your business. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Adding reviews to your website might seem like a small task, but its impact on your online presence can be significant. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we encourage you to experiment with different layouts and styles to find what best suits your website.